everybody, it's Miss Cross, and there are going to be some really cool things happening in the night sky this weekend. So I wanted to let you know what you can look for and how you can look for, so hopefully you can see some of them. So tonight, as long as it's not cloudy, Friday night, May 13th is going to be a perfect night to see the International Space Station fly over. And if you have never done this before, it is really easy. What you need to do is get a compass app on your phone or your parents' phone, and you're going to use that to see what direction the space station is going to start coming into view and where it's going to end. The other thing is how high it is above the horizon. If you remember when we studied angles and angle measurements, straight out, a straight line is 0 degrees, and straight up above our head is 90 degrees. So it's a lot easier to see the space station fly over when it's closer to 90 degrees. So tonight it's going to be at an altitude of 82 degrees. So it's going to be almost straight above your head. And it'll be off center just a little bit, but if you look straight up, you should be able to see it. The other important thing is the start time and the end time. So it is going to come into view at 9:51 p.m. tonight. Now, you're going to have to watch for a few minutes because it takes it a minute to get to where you can see it. But it is going to begin at 9:51 and it is going to last until 9:58. So you've got about 7 minutes to see it fly over. It is going to be entering the sky in the southwest and moving towards the northeast. So use that compass. Go ahead and open up the compass on the phone before it's time for the space station so you know where to look. You need to know where southwest is. That's where it's going to start to be seen, and it's going to be moving towards the northeast. So at 9:51, if you can go outside and look up, you're going to look towards the southwest, going up above, right above your head, and after you watch for a couple of minutes, you should see a very bright light, almost like a star, moving slowly across the sky. It's not like a shooting star. It's not that fast, or it is that fast, but it doesn't look that fast to us. And it's just a light that'll just move across the sky, and you can follow it with your eyes. So from the southwest to the northeast, 82 degrees, so almost directly above your head, starting at 9:51 and going out of view at 9:58. If you don't see it for the first couple of minutes, don't get up or give up or get frustrated. You will see it as long as there are no clouds. But it does sometimes take a minute for it to get high enough in our view that we can see it. So that's tonight, International Space Station. On Sunday night, there is going to be a total lunar eclipse, and this is where the Earth is directly in between the sun and the moon. Now, this is going to be a little past most of our bedtimes, but maybe you can see part of it, or perhaps your parents would let you get up just to go out and look at it real quick and then get back to bed. So the eclipse is going to begin at 9:32 p.m. Now, you're not going to see anything until about 10:27. That's when a partial eclipse is going to begin. And between 10:27 and 11:29, it's going to move into the total eclipse. So the total eclipse starts at 11:29 p.m. It should make the moon look very big, bright, and red in color. And then the total eclipse ends at 2:50 a.m. The maximum viewing time for the best view is at 12:11 a.m., which I know is kind of late. So maybe you can see the beginning of it or part of the partial eclipse if you're not able to see the whole lunar eclipse. And these happen pretty often. The next one's going to be in November, so a couple of times each year you should be able to see this. So Sunday night, starting at 9:32, that's when it's going to begin. You'll start to see a partial eclipse around 10:27 p.m. The total eclipse begins at 11:29 p.m. with the very best viewing at 12:11 a.m. So hopefully we don't have too many tired people on Monday, but I would love it if some of you could see the partial eclipse or even stay up or get up to see the total eclipse. So ask your parents, and if you have any questions, let me know. Happy night sky viewing, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.